What's up, guys? So I decided to make a YouTube channel. Figured I'd do my first video as a stunt build of the 636. So first, what we have on here, we have the stealth stay front fairing. We have the heli brake lines, stock rotor, stock calipers. We have the dirt bike bars, which I love over clip-ons. A lot more comfortable, all preference though. Pro taper risers, you just drill into the top triple tree, get your setup going there. You can get a cycle gear throttle tube assembly. Then we have the RSC clutch, the Magura HC1, which I love. It's pretty squishy, but it does bite. We have the Sick Innovations engine crash cage, stunt district tank. I think it's a 2.5 inch lip, which is what I like. I prefer it. We have the RSC stunt can. Have the NDC rear sets, NDC sub cage, NDC handbrake bracket with the big rotor. Have the monoblock caliper with the F4i foot brake. Sick Innovations 12 bar. I kind of run it like this because I went all the way through the bar. So what you do is you kind of just bolt the titanium through, scrape it all the way down to put a new one on. Has the HT Moto seat. Now what I have to say about these seats though, guys, if you're gonna get a seat, make sure it's flat back here, because the hump, to be honest, it gets in the way big time. It looks cool, but it's not too practical. Then we have the 60 tooth sprocket. Good for lots, very good for lots, but streets, you want to be in like second, third gear. Have the 520 setup gold chain. My ignition is routed down here. It's pretty simple, tucked away a little bit. We got the fan switch in the back. Pretty simple build, nothing too crazy. Just the essentials of what you need to kind of get out there and have some fun. Just put this brand new Q3 tire on here. Runs good. But I definitely have to say these NDCs are the best so far, is what I've seen. They have a really long foot peg there. Let's focus in a little bit. So those work great. I actually haven't started this bike in a long time. Let's see her run. So I have the ignition there, and then we kind of just routed the starter switch over here to the cage. A lot of rev limiter coasters on this one, guys. Just put a new fuel pump in her, so she's running pretty good. Again, it's a pretty basic setup: stock calipers, stock forks, stock rotors, stock wheels, just a stealth stay, handbrake, cage, tank, rear sets, exhaust, 12 bar, and a sprocket. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Look forward to making some more videos, get some action stunts going on, some how-to videos. Thank you for your time.